na me own alien, so no boy can't style me. Na me own alien, yeah. Me no frightened feeling.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are going, you know, say we there and we have all our meds. And guess what? TJ just drop one song. TJ say him in an own lane, you see me? So guess what we are gonna do? We are gonna review it. And you know, say that's how we do it by the Chaddy More TV. So here what? Me could just jump in and review right here now. You see me? And people, don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you are not already a subscriber and turn on post notification. So anytime me upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. So here TG, you know. Say moon and own lane. So me could see what I go on this up.
So them me buy some me dreams. Me own alien, na me own alien.
First thing me have to talk about, yo, you see the lyric video, yeah? Me no know. Something tell me say it's different. It look different to me. You see me? The lyric video, yeah, look hot. Me no know. Make we see what I go on still. You see it?
Boy can't style me. Na me own alien, yeah. Me no frightened feelings. Me a style to me thing.
Well on. Him say him not frightened for links. Him have style to him thing. Make a pencil it out. Zin, him must say him in him own a lane, you know. See, you know, say him a do him own a thing. You see me? So it's like him must say him the over here so and them over there so. So people, who you feel say him attack? Cause remember, you know, most time like 9 out of 10 time, anytime them song a drop, them type of song a drop, it's aim at a particular artist. So who you feel say him attack? You mean I own a lane. Make you see.
I mean not just some boy cause them pass me drinks. And if me no rate you, me no go run your people. Me no want me no links. Cause me know if you will out. If me can't buy a spliff, much less see buy a drink.
Yo, the dog attack things. The dog a say, yo, him know if he wall out. Yo, nothing more disgust me than a man with beggy. Not more disgust me than a man when you go a party, you don't know the umbrella from nowhere, you don't know him from Adam, neither Eve. You see me? And you go so booms and a bill and buy a buckle and dog a run in. I say, yo, you want a cup? You want a cup with ice? You want a cup with ice? Yo, give me some of Hennessy, you know? No, brother, me not know you, daddy. Me not do that something, yeah? You see me? So right now, TJ say, no boy can't style him, say, no. Because him, I do him own a braffing. You see me? You remember what day when them go over one part over other party the name Sons. You see me? And Romish them carry the whole bar. We could play it again.
Never grew up fi bogot. Come and born as a thug, and me mother never grew a whim. Me no frightened for people, no frightened for people. No some people a be frightened for me.
Yo, John Star, that definitely wanna show some shades right there, so you know. You say no frightened for people, you know frightened for people. People are frightened for we. Chaddy More TV, no frightened for people neither. We no frightened for vlogger. A vlogger for frightened for we. I wanna go on this so. Me don't know start. People tell me what they think in the comment section, but something I go on board a song ya. Me don't know. How we are going to find out? We are going to find out. So I go play it again. I kind of have a feeling of who we matter. Still, you know, I wonder if I have to talk about it in the next review. Yeah. I do a follow-up review. Anyhow, make we see what I go on.
Just hide me in the street when me out at night. Mother they read Bible for me. Me no love likes. Them never tell her before, say pressure bus pipe. Pick up or you can't manage, you enough like. Better you suffer the consequence cause you love hype. I show me staying on me own a lane, on me own a lane. So no guy can
style me.
Staying on me own.
Yo, Teejay, you found it. Teejay, you find one next hit song, John Star. Dog say yo, even I own a lane. Yo, people. Me I tell you no, this is not like a front nor not like that. You see, instantly as me hear the song, me can start move off of the beat. You see me? Me can start get forward. If I want party me there and me hear that song and play, chances are, if me have like all one bills US in my pocket, me I go money pull up and probably 50 out of it. Say you know, say me go 1,000 US in my pocket, chances are I want 5 bills money pull up it or get, because the song I just, yo, it a give the party people them a vibes. I say, yo, we in a we own a lane. It a give thugs them a vibes. You see me? Anybody where I do the braff in, it a give them a vibes, cause we a braff over here so, and do we thing over here so, and we in a we own a lane. No boy can't style it. I love that song yeah. The thugs them must love that song yeah too. Make we hear it again.
Hey, shut the fuck up what you're talking about me while becoming friend them I'm a pirate or reptile. Staying away own a lane away own a game so no guy can style me. That gonna make you do that. Yeah, my name got 2 cops.
Yo, me tell you about the visuals. You notice that song is not only necessarily a lyric video. Me sorry, me never catch a name who do the editing for this fish out them out. Because me I telling you it bad. You see it? It bad. Notice how it's not only words that rush across the screen and I tell you say yo, he must say OWNA lane and he must say this and he must say that. It's like a mini video within the lyric video. Like one of them, me don't want to call other artists name, but you must understand. Like one of them other. You see me? We see them earlier on last year. We see it in a Father God. You see me? So I can't say more Father. We see it in another video there. And we see it in a Alkaline Juggernaut. You see me? But that texture, Panda One, to me, it just different. Me no know. Me love it. It just different. You see me? So shout out for the Umbre we deal with that. And this is from Romish Entertainment. I mean, the production are Romish Entertainment. We don't know, say, the artists are Romish Entertainment already. But dog, I say me na OWNA lane, Jano. People, when you figure out who him attack it, if you no figure out who him attack, just put it in the comment section, no man.
Love your belly, you that them go find you dead like 2 rats. I better say you left your fucking yard and you no come back. Your mother see your body and no ask her say who that.
He dog say, I better you left your yard and no come back. A real mobby attacking them then they down and say come back, you know. He dog say come back.
Never them a move like Judas day. Tell some boys to move and way. You know see I be a cartoon them dark and a big scooby do that day. Looking at the glass from the room and I start so me never gonna be like you party. Just get the car for the Benz super can put them super too hard. Me only
yo, who did know say TG a flow like that? Hold on. Me I go pull up back that part there. Cause me know say enough I wanna no catch it. So me happy go pull up back that part there. Yo, who did know say TJ a flow like that? Yo, the artist bad, me not tell no lie. And if you no feel like the artist bad, just tell me in the comment section. If I even comment say yo, artist bad, just comment bad or something.
I better say you left your fucking yard and you no come back. Your mother see your body and no ask her say who that. Never them a move like Judas day. Tell some boys to move and way. You know see I be a cartoon them dark and a big scooby do that day. Looking at the glass from the room and I start so me never gonna be like you party. Just get the car for the Benz super can put them super too hard. Me only
son of boy can't style me. Me never catch it song good. That's why I say me don't know but OWNA lane something. It bad people. Me love it. You see me? So you go and go check it out. Me I go left the link in the comment section below. So you can just press one button. Just press one link and go so boop and reach over TJ page. But still the question remain. Who him a talk about? Who in a one lane over there so? And him a bear over here so. Yo, it dog in I OWNA lane, and I feel like say TJ we have a lot of more exciting songs like these for hear from TJ. You see me? In other area, it's gonna be a good look for TJ. You see me? So you just go and do the thing, brother. That song is bad. Me not tell no lie. Me say it bad one more time. Jano Star. Make we listen the last part. For see if not go on. Cause people, I literally like the second time I listen to that video here right now. That song here right now, is it?
na me OWNA lane, so the boy can't style me. Na me OWNA lane, yeah. Hey, my out. Yeah, me just shut the fuck up what they talking about the while. You know my friend them and my parrot a reptile. I do my stay on me own.
Oh, so him just fly back what? I think at the bridge there so or something like so. Whenever they pencil out a song like that. Anyhow, still, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. You see me? And if it's the first time watching, if it's the first time you're seeing a video from the Chaddymore TV, just hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And people, remember, I have a live stream, Monday Night Live. I am live right here every Monday night where we talk about dancehall topic, and normally we have a special guest. You see me? So you might not know who is gonna be here next week. Probably it's gonna be Teejay, but probably can't afford because I'm OWNA lane. Me no know. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out. Me inna me own lane.
Don't me stay on my own lane.